for this car to come through, and when it does, we'll get it. So give us a few minutes, guys. Car should be turning up soon. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do. No. I'm driving it. So. Guys, it's the car here. That's what we got. Little Alfa Romeo. Nice one, man. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Let's get a bit of a zoom out. Hopefully it drives. Right guys, I'm a bit nervous. We're just going to get into the car, man. There's just loads of people around and everything. Let's try and see. Pop this open. 1 minute. The indicators are flashing. Is it hazards? Yep, hazards are on. Let's see if it starts. Get the key in. We've got some power. The battery is disconnected. I did connect it. We've got a bit of diesel. Cool. 1 minute. Should start our first time, guys. Coil pack flashing or coil light. So let's hope it's drivable. 1 minute. We'll continue this in a second. Guys, have a look at this stunning car. I love the look of this. Where's this handbrake? I don't even know what this is. Oh, maybe sport. Oh no, there's a handbrake there. So that's probably some kind of sport mode, normal. God knows, we'll find out. There's a bit of mold in here, so I want to get this cleaned up. I mean, look at this car. Guys, I'm going to get into the price. I'm going to go do a little walk around when I find a little spot. Right guys, I'm going to go do a little walk around when I find a little spot. Obviously we just here. So to be honest with you, I don't want to be messing around. It's quite busy and stuff like that. We do have 3 cars here as mentioned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go find someone to park this car up. Tax the car, get on my insurance, find someone to park it up and come pick up the other Punto. We got a Fiat Punto. I'll lay it out now. So we got to pick up another Fiat Punto. I'm going to run through the numbers as well. I'll do a little walk around and I'll run through the numbers and tell you exactly what I paid for these cars. Absolutely bargains, guys. We're going to make some good profit on this. It seems like the engine's running okay, so really happy with this. This is a previous Cat N. Stunning car. I can't wait to tell you what I paid for this, so stay tuned. Make sure you're watching the video till the end and I'll run through the numbers. So yeah, let's go pick up the other car, or let me go find someone to actually park this, tax it, park it, and then pick up the other car. Stay tuned. So guys, it's a diesel, 1.6 diesel, so you know you can't expect it to be a quiet car. Got one bulb out. You know, they could be just timing chain, I don't know, hopefully it's nothing too bad. Disc look okay, calipers look nice. Interior, we do have the cover in the boot. I have opened the boot. We got 107 mileage. Look at the interior, guys, absolutely nice, man. What all we got? I didn't even check the specs kind of things, man. So it looks nice. I mean, I don't know what that is. Some kind of drive mode. Yeah. Noisy wheel bearing, we do have that issue coming up first. A cracked lens there. So, and engine cover. This could be worrying if they got an engine cover or under tray. There's the engine cover there, and there's the under tray. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with this car. This is a dealer disposal. I don't know why the under tray would be off unless there was a major problem with it. Yeah, bit nervous, you know. Seems like it's okay. That doesn't work. But yeah, guys, I've got a 2-hour journey back, guys. So, you know, fingers crossed if I get home, I'll continue the video there, or if I break down, whichever one comes first. Noisy wheel bearing sounds absolutely noisy and louder than any noisy wheel bearing I've ever heard in my life, to be honest. We do have some scuffs of the thing. We do have rear parking sensors, which was quite nice, to be honest. A nice surprise, didn't expect that. Loads of scuffs here. Got some scuffs there. Gonna need a polish there. Got a little crack there. Paint peel, like it happens on almost all red cars. Bit of paint peel there. You know, little dent there. Some chips there. And some scuffs here. But yeah, Cat N car. Tires all round. Tires are really good. They're pretty much brand new. I like the carbon effect that you got there. Yeah, it is what it is. Noisy wheel bearing, 2-hour drive. wish me luck. I'm going home now. Car's booked in for MOT, taking it straight there. And yeah, I'll let you know how I go. If I break down first, I'll let you know. If I get home first, I'll let you know. But if it drives and gets me home, we know we got a good engine and we just got cosmetic. So let's just say we're in it, £1,000. There's £800 in this car, guys. So I'll keep you along, follow me along this journey, and we'll see how we go with this car. We've still got 2 other cars to pick up from this location and 2 other cars from a different location. So far, I don't want to jinx it, but so far so good engine runs. I'll keep you updated, guys. Peace. Right, guys, we're here picking up the second cars nice and quiet, and I thought I'd take the time to give you a little bit of a tip. So what I've done is, because today's Saturday, they're not open on Sundays, I'm going to be free the whole weekend. What I've done is I've here picked up 1 car. I've left it at the local park. It is insured, it is all sorted, and I'm picking up the second car now. So what I'm gonna do is leave 1 car, take 1 car back, come back later and pick up another car, or even tomorrow, and then I've got 2 cars sorted, and it's only the weekend. So Monday we will get on to picking up another car. We do have 5 cars in total, so stay tuned, guys. We've managed to get 2 cars home. Well, not home just yet, so we're not out of the woods, but fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. I'll continue the video when the car comes and show you what it looks like. Hopefully it starts, hopefully it runs, and hopefully we'll be able to take it home today or tomorrow, and then get them cleaned and list them off for sale and make a quick little profit and continue the process. So stay tuned. Right, guys, here is the second car coming right about now. 2007 Fiat Punto Grand Sporting. Looks alright, actually. Nice tyres all round. Man. Here we go, guys. Have a look at this. Tyres fucking flat. But other than that, it looks okay. It's alright, nice and clean in here, not too much shit. Normally these cars are bloody moldy. Nice. Hopefully it starts though. Right, cool. Let's get this bit of mold there as mentioned. But okay, let me get the bonnet popped and you can share this moment with me. Get that key in there. Battery's so dead. It's not going to start. I need to get the jumper. Right, guys, I've come to my location where I parked the vehicles. This is going to be a crazy one. I'm going to flip the camera around, show you what we got. Have a look at it. Look at them tyres, brand spanking new tyres. Nice. Did have a flat wheel, did need a battery replacement. You know, I've just replaced the battery, but tyre needed pumping. I did top it up with some air. I think I will give a bit more. Yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. Do these work? Yeah, this works. Interior bit there. There's the old battery there. What was the price I paid for this? I think this car here in total with fees, I think I'm only in it about, let me have a look quickly. Right, this car here with fees, this is HPI clear, by the way, and this car here with fees, we are in it £533 to be precise. Does that look like smoke or does that look like condensation? This is a dealer disposal, guys, so hopefully there's nothing too wrong with it. I mean, it is ticking, but it's not been stuck for a long time. Let me pop the bonnet. Guys, it's getting really late now. I pulled over, obviously I parked up the Fiat Punto. You heard the engine was a bit loud. Just checked the oil and there was absolutely nothing on the dipstick. So I've managed to go and get some oil from Tesco. I've topped it up. I've just stuck in about, going on, I think it's 2 litres. Add a little bit more, and now it's showing on the dipstick. So hopefully when we start the car up, it should be nice and quiet and we're going to make our way home. I will update you as soon as I get back, guys, so stay tuned. Just make sure when you guys buy cars, you check your oils, you check all your levels, you check everything before you start setting off. You don't want to be driving a car. I mean, this sounded right. Normally, you know, you just drive, but you know, it's a good thing I checked because could have caused massive problems to the engine. Stay tuned anyways, I'll update you as soon as I get back. Now that I've topped it up with oil, I'm going to start it up, and as oil starts circulating, it should get a lot quieter. So let's listen to it. Guys, 1 minute. Sounding a lot more quiet now that I've topped up with oil. Listen to that, just can hear the injectors. Perfect. Let's get our move on. When you go pick up a car from auction, always check the oil levels, always check your coolant, always check your tire pressures. Make sure you got a tire pump with you. I always carry one. And jump leads. The battery was super dead. Their jump pack was super dead. Good thing I had my jump leads because I actually managed to jump this car. Sorted. Pumped out the tire because I got a little pump, you know, one of them portable pumps that you put in your car charger. Sorted, guys. We've got the car pumped up. We've got oil in the car. We've got some petrol. I'm going to go park it up, and we are going to make our way home in the Alfa Romeo. So stay tuned. I'll update you along as we're going down the road. Alfa Romeo drives really nice. Tire seems to be going down again, but Alfa Romeo drives really nice. What's all that's needed on the Alfa Romeo? Yeah, wheel bearing. So I'll update you as soon as I get back, guys. Don't know how this video is going to turn out, but stay tuned, and see you when I get back. If I get back, I'll update you regardless. Peace. Right, guys, I don't know if you can hear the noise that I can hear. That's the wheel bearing. Shit is loud as hell. Definitely going to need to do that. However, the car drives really well. Power when you put your foot down. Brakes really good. Tracking is going to need doing as well. Seems to pull to one side a little bit. Fuel consumption seems to be going up, so we're doing really well on that. And yeah, the heating works only when it's on full power. The radio is really good. I need to put the aerial back on though, the antenna, whatever you want to call it. The lights work. We got one bulb out. So far, no engine lights on the dash, or any lights for a matter of fact. Yeah, we're doing good. Can you hear that though? That's like 60 miles per hour we're doing right now. It's got cruise control. It's got cruise control. Yeah, it's got cruise control. We've got air conditioning. Yeah, a few other bits and pieces. But yeah, guys, so far so good. We're only in the motorway. Well, I'm only in my journey, probably around 30 minutes into the journey, if that. So I will keep you updated and I will keep you posted. So far so good. Only thing we got is that wheel bearing, and it's loud as hell. Can you hear that? Wow. Anyways, guys, I will continue the video when I can. Stay tuned.